Stop the loud noise and mind and make the neighbors them think I kill me, I kill you.
Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Bingy, feel me out. Bingy, feel me out. Bingy, why you go for knife? Bingy, no better frighten me then we're there again, man.
It's an orange me go take up to peel and eat.
Oh, true, you come ask me about other man that me don't know nothing about.
Me see a number on a piece of paper with the name Romain.
Romain, oh, no, the little dirty plumber boy. Me call him to fix the pipe them where I leak. But him too expensive, so me no bother with him.
Give me the number, make me call him. Make him cut down the price. Him too damn thief.
No, it's alright. No bother call him. Me here saying gonna foreign. Keisha, what go on? Come run a back and hang out some clothes on the line.
I take 3 days off from work. Me no feel too good.
Really? You know, Natasha says she haven't been feeling well lately too. Lord have mercy. So she have been upset stomach and all these things. It seems like say one bug a go round.
Something I go round, but it's not a bug.
Really? What you mean? You think a corona you have? You have to be careful in a girl. And why you come at me house and you not have no mask?
Me just a come from the doctor. Him say me 6 weeks pregnant.
Hey, really? Congratulations. So why you look so sad? Me happy for you. So when me I go meet this baby father, me never know say you're grind.
Me soon make you meet him. Later, yeah, me I go and go lie down.
Come on, man. Cheer up your face. Nobody look so sad. You soon feel better. The first trimester the worst, but trust me, in 3 months or so, you're going to feel good. You're going to feel like you're not even pregnant.
Jesus Christ, me can't believe that Bingy really breed me.
Susie, get up.
Bingy, leave me alone, man. From morning I bear walk me a wash and me a clean. Look pan the amount of clothes me wash. Take a look pan the line outside.
Susie, where pork, chicken and fish do you? Why me come home to canned beef? First thing, this can be anything them blend up and put in a tin. This can be dog meat. You know what this?
Bingy, stop it fooling. It's beef. Beef come from cow and then chop up the cow and put in a one machine and crush up and put seasoning on it and put in a tin. You know, so it tastes like beef.
Whether a beef or a grief, me no want it. Susie, get a pen and a piece of paper and come here.
See pen and the paper here. I mean, I know where you want pen and paper for do.
Follow this and me and you will have a peaceful life in the kitchen.
What? Follower? Let me hear what you have to say.
On Sundays, rice and peas with 3 different meat kinds and carrot juice. Mondays, a Sunday Monday. Tuesdays, the national dish.
Bingy, the way you go on, it just make it seem like say you can't money come in and give me a weekend time. I wonder if you tell people say you mind me. Bingy, just please me, beg you. Made a hat me. Just shut up your mouth.
Wednesdays, stew peas. Thursdays, chicken, either brown stew or curry.
A man like you, Dexter Dap sing pies name for. Anyway, go on name out your list, Mr. Bingy. Go on name out your list. Let me hear what you have to say. Finish it.
Fridays, KFC, and Saturdays, pea soup.
I have a list too. You think you alone can't have a list? Listen to my list. So Bingy, if you want me to have a peaceful life, this is what you do. Get a job, pay some bills in the house, and please get a larger dick and try me have an orgasm.
What? What is an orgasm?
Try and make me come. You have not mastered that craft yet. My finger have to be always finishing where you left off.
You know what? Make me go my bed. You're too rasp-faced.
Hi Natasha, what's up?
I just find out why I'm so sick lately.
Really, what did he say? He said the flu down. Yeah man, cause the climate has changed. A whole heap of people I get flu.
Susie, me a breed.
What? How you mean you breed? You sure?
Yes, the doctor say I'm 6 weeks pregnant.
What is me two friend them pregnant? I must cash pot sign this. Me have to go buy some number today.
What? Which 2 friends?
What? You never know Keisha 6 weeks pregnant too? You come like it when no plan this and no breed the same time.
Oh really? I did not know she have a man.
Well, the twin and always I say no single and act like saying no grind. Me really want to know what I will breed in. Me really want to meet them the baby father day.
Susie, later me I get a very important call.
Okay, girl, just take it easy and get some rest. Just call me whenever you need help and I will come and help you.
And if being you gonna left me for Susie now like how me a breed film.
Susie, why you there online looking at baby things?
Being here too fast. Anyway, in about 8 months or so, we're gonna have an additional to the family.
With the rest, you say, me no want no more children. So I must joke you make.
Being in worry yourself, it is not me, it's my 2 best friends. They are expecting Kia, and you believe that? The girls them will say them have no man. Me want to know which part that the man they come from, cause me really want to meet him.
What? Repeat what you just said?
Bingy, Natasha, and Keisha, they are 6 weeks pregnant. And guess what? I have never met this man, so he's an invisible man. Them breed for. This is a Mary and Joseph situation. So when we find out how we breed them, I will let you know.